Hi guys and good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon na guys. It's 9 and 1:35 na. Let's unboxing guys from Amazon. Unboxing time. Let's do unboxing. Unboxing tayo. What inside guys? Taran! Taran! Oh wow! Look at that. Another puzzle. This is 3. Pang 3 puzzle guys. Yeah. Like this. A car. Very nice car, oh. Look at that. Wells, 750. This is the, I think, small pieces puzzle. That's a lot. 750 pieces, guys. And like that. Oh, look like Look like the restaurant in the Philippines. What is called the name of the restaurant? Huh? Filling station, guy. Like that, guy, oh. Yeah. Filling station restaurant in the Philippines. Like this, guy. Yeah, Makati area. Exciting, guy. And debut glue, guy. Jigsaw puzzle glue. Yan, puzzle glue. Kasi after they done the puzzle, we need to glue that and then hang to the wall. And that's it, guys. This is third puzzle.